doesn't look like much now, but boy, does he have stories to tell.
When I was a steam train 10 cars long, I went north, south, east, and west. I explored a country wilderness. Boy, those times were the best.
Well, these whippersnapper trains, they all go so fast down the railroad tracks they fly. But how can they see anything when they pass the country by?
When I was a locomotive 20 cars long, I carried the pioneers. I helped build a country young and strong, and that took a couple of years.
Now these young trains all carry passengers to work in the city every day. Then they take them all home when the work is all done. That's no adventure, I'd say.
I helped build the cities and factories. I carried everything in sight. The one thing that made it possible was my unbelievable might. I treasure all those moments.
That's right.
The memories never fade.
Oh no.
I'm glad that I'm a grown-up train.
A grown-up train.
Now the new freight trains carry stuff to the stores, and I guess they do their work all right. But they'll never get to do the things that I did, like build the country overnight.
I've done my job and now I'm done. I tell all the boys and girls I love to spend my time with kids. They're my friends in a beautiful world. I treasure all those moments.
That's right.
The memories never fade. I'm glad that I'm a grown-up train.
A grown-up train.
I treasure all those moments. The memories never fade.
I'm glad that I'm a